In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini CLI inside VS Code in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Check prerequisites. Make sure you have Node.js 20 and a modern OS. You have to verify with this code. Gemini CLI requires Node 20 or higher. Step 2. Install Gemini CLI. You have quick options and you have to pick one. This helps you to run instantly. This one lets you install globally. This is the recommended option. And lastly, this one is for Mac OS or Linux by Homebrew. Step 3. Authenticate OAuth or API key. Start the CLI and follow the prompt to sign with your Google account. Choose Authorized Login in the interactive flow. This is the easiest for personal use. Or if you prefer an API key, create one in Google AS Studio and export it. Step 4. Try your first query. Get help. In the interactive session, try -help or /help or type a natural prompt. Step 5. Use Gemini CLI from VS Code. Open VS Code, go to Terminal and run Gemini there, or use the Gemini Code Assistant extension /chat. VS Code's Assist is powered by the same CLI under the hood, which means you can run CLI prompts in the terminal or use the built-in Gemini Code Assistant chat for inline code difference and suggested edits. Step 6. Ask for explanations or fixes. You can use this code to do step 6. Edit files or generate diffs. Use the interactive command /chat or /generate and accept diffs via the IDE view. Use project context, add gemini.mb in your repo to give the CLI project hints and behavior. Step 7. Integration and advanced diffs. Set Google Cloud Project if using an org or paid license. Use MCP servers to connect tools to GitHub, Slack, or DBs. For rich agent actions. For CI automation, run interactive Gemini commands with an API key in your pipeline. Step 8. Troubleshooting quick fixes. If Gemini won't start, confirm node version, reinstall with npm install. Use /help inside the CLI for command reference and /quit or Ctrl+C twice to exit. Now you can use Gemini CLI inside VS Code to speed up coding, debugging, and file edits. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.